Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to work on the assessment grid. When you access this grid, I want you to analyze your productions according to whether you think the sound that you're producing is a standard and intelligible sound, or if it is not a standard and intelligible sound. So, sound by sound, you're going to click on a cross whether you think it is standard or it's not standard. And you can add a comment. Why you find it difficult, what's the problem with the sound, if it is the position, if it is the voicing, if it is the articulation, if you've got any idea about what makes it difficult for you. Then, once you finish writing whatever comment you want and completing all the sounds, right? You have to complete all of the sounds, right? Remember that when you change, you have to do it from here. So once you have completed all the sounds, then you're going to download a copy, right? You can download a copy, for instance, as a PDF. So once you download the copy, then what you're going to do is to erase all the comments that you have made so that this can be used by another student at another moment. The copy that you have downloaded is going to be sent to me through the campus or through mail.